all my dishes. And yes, I do procrastinate really badly, but I swear this time it's not because of that. My water is contaminated. I'm on a public well system, and so there's all kinds of sediment and iron and stuff like that that makes the water all cloudy and messy and leaves a little residue and stuff, which is no good. So in today's video,
have you ever wondered what it's like to have ADHD and have too many things that you need to do, but you just don't have enough time to do all of them? Well, do I have a video for you? Because in today's video...
Wait, hold on. Hey, welcome to my garage. Well, in here I have my motorcycle and my longboards and things of that nature, but you know what I don't have? I don't have power set up in here yet, which is kind of a problem because I can't run any of my lights, my equipment, and my other stuff that I need to actually make things with. So, in today's video,
Wait, nope. This video isn't on the top of the priority list yet. We still have other things we have to take care of before we get to it, so just hold on.
Hey, welcome to my shed. This is... well, yeah, it really is just a shed, but it's about the same size as the shed I was working in before, so I feel like I can make some good use out of it. But the problem is, it has nothing right now. No insulation, no power, nothing at all. So if I'm going to be running some equipment in here, I'm definitely going to have to be doing some upgrades. So, in today's video,
no. You cannot prioritize an actual shed over the house you're trying to live in.
Okay, this is getting really annoying. I'm just gonna cap everything off. Okay, like, here's the deal. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I haven't posted a video in a while. I've been going through quite a bit between like quitting my old job and starting a whole new career, but it's all been for this. And I know it's rather unglorious right now, but essentially I needed more time to be able to work on YouTube. My previous job just didn't give me enough time to be able to dedicate to filming and creativity and the actual work itself and then editing and all that stuff. So I figured it was time to make a change. And I quit my old job and started a whole new career so that I would be able to have longer weekends and have more time to spend with you guys in the form of projects and ideas and creativity and all those things. So I am still not quite there yet, but it's been almost a year, if not over a year, and I miss making YouTube videos. I have so many ideas, so many projects. I have a motorcycle to rebuild. I need to put power in here. This place is not insulated, and so it is not heated or cooled, and it's miserable during the summer and cold during the winter. The shop, everything, like I could go on and on and on. Okay, so here's the idea. I have a lot of videos, and I have a lot of stuff to take care of. I'm very, very busy. But at the end of the day, I just miss making YouTube videos. I miss chatting with you guys, and I am really looking forward to getting back into this. So, whenever I can, however I can, I'm gonna make it happen, and there should be a couple new videos coming to the channel. It might be a little bit of a shift in form, and maybe a little bit of different ideas and things like that. And the other two channels that I also run are probably going to be a little bit neglected for a little bit, or I might be posting more on them. I don't know. I just miss making YouTube videos. I miss hanging out with you guys in the comments and answering questions and all those things. So yeah, here I am in my garage because I bought a place and moved states and changed careers, and I've been very busy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I'm very, very excited about what the future holds. So, hi, I guess, welcome back to the channel. We'll see how it goes. Catch you in the next one.